Morning, guys. Out here in Dallas. Should be really close to the last day on this one. We got trucks coming today to haul out all this concrete. So all that concrete right there in the middle, and then I've got brick, and then a big old pile of brick back there. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of loading dump trucks today. So y'all stick around. See if we can get all this stuff out of here today. Today's my birthday, so it'd be a great birthday present to have this one done. So let's see, fingers crossed. All right, we are staged up and ready for the dump trucks to get here. So I'll get you moved around to the other side, because I'm probably gonna have them back in right there so I can just load them from the side. We're gonna do concrete first, get all that out of the way, and then we'll start working on the brick. Stick around. Holy smokes. I'm not sure how much video you guys caught because that battery died. I had trucks running back to back non-stop since 7:30 this morning. It's now 11:45. It's the first time I've got to get out of the machine. Let me turn you around and show you what I got done. So I got all that concrete that was in the middle, all that's loaded out. And about, I don't know, a third of that pile of brick. I still got that brick over there, so I'm waiting on the truck to get back now so we can keep loading out brick. We did 5 loads of concrete and just sent the first load of brick. So yeah, moving right along. I'm going to, I'm super low on hydraulic fluid because I got that leak on the excavator. So my buddy Reno's bringing over some hydraulic fluid so I can fill that back up and keep going. I'm going to grab the chainsaw and cut the logs off of those stumps. I'm going to get the stumps loaded into the container and the brush. I'm going to save the big logs. Sorry, what did I say? I'm going to load the stumps in the container and the brush in the container. I'm going to leave those logs. I'm going to load them in my trailer because I can dump them, dump those guys for free. So yeah, let me get you guys set up over here and we'll do some chainsawing. Unless of course the truck shows up before I can get that done. We'll see. Those are some big trees for my little bitty chainsaw, but I got to tell you, nothing beats having a good chainsaw. Good chainsaw, nice sharp chainsaw blade, makes life so much fun. All right, let me hop on the excavator and get those moved around. Well, so much for hopping on the excavator. Truck should back up, so let's get it loaded. Well, got that truck out of here. It's moving some more of this brick over there. Making a pile there because it's easier for them to back up in there for me to load them. So I was grabbing this brick here and I found an old well. Fun times. So I have to bust that thing up and fill it in. I don't think the customer even knew that was there. So yeah, I just got these two little piles. This little pile, I'm gonna grab the excavator and rake all those over so I can get them with the skid steer, and then come over here and bust that thing up. And yeah, that's actually, I think that's an old septic tank. Yeah, it's an old septic tank. So anyway, let's get it busted up. Hey guys, this is the end of day 6, I believe. 5.5, really. I don't even know how many dump truck loads we ran today, but let me get you back over here and I'll turn it around so you can see. All right, so we got all the concrete out to here, taken out and hauled off. All that out in there is gone. Got a couple little piles of concrete and brick. There's a little pile back there back at the end of the trailer. Still got to get out of here. This is that spot where I found the septic tank. Turns out there were 4 of them side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that took a while to get all that cleaned up. I got a load of big wood and as many branches as I could fit on the trailer. The rest of that we're gonna put in that dumpster that's got all the big root balls in it. Well, we're gonna try to anyway. You can see there's some root balls in there. So they're so big they're sticking out of the top of that 30-yard container. But anyway, that's where we're gonna leave it today. It's my oh, I just found a Barbie doll. Weird. Today's my birthday and my wonderful wife is taking me out to one of our favorite places for dinner. So I'm going to hurry home and get cleaned up and go have something good to eat. So we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.